Hello, you are kindly welcome to Jab Media Channel. Here we will talk about Amazon Prime Air's next generation drones. Despite running into obstacles in the US, Amazon is planning to expand its Prime Air drone delivery program to 2 additional countries. Amazon announced today that it will soon make drone delivery available for Prime members in Italy and the United Kingdom, in addition to expanding to one more yet to be named a city. The new Prime Air locations will be announced in the coming months with an anticipated launch date of late 2024. The e-commerce giant stated that it is working with regulators and governments around the world to expand drone delivery. Not only will this help boost the economy, offering consumers even more choice while helping keep the environment clean with zero-emission technology, but it will also build our understanding how to best use the new technology safely and securely, said UK's Aviation Minister Baroness Veer in a statement in Amazon's announcement. Amazon first promised 30-minute drone deliveries for Prime members way back in 2013, and the program has encountered nothing but hurdles. The company at present only offers Prime Air delivery in 2 locations, College Station, Texas, and Lockhart, California. Currently, Amazon's drones are unable to deliver during rainstorms, strong winds, extreme heat, or any unfavorable weather, and only operate from 8 MIT 3:30 p.m. every day. Current fire restrictions also keep Prime Air from flying its drones over people or roads, which leads to Amazon's next challenge. In order to gain approval from the FAA for a broader rollout in the US, Prime Air must dock hundreds of hours of incident-free flights. But given the fact that Prime Air currently operates in limited circumstances, it has had trouble meeting the agency's requirements. Back in May of this year, Prime Air had only made 100 deliveries, reported CNBC. But it's made some progress since then. Prime Air has signed up thousands of customers and delivered thousands of packages so far, wrote Amazon spokesperson Zoe Hoffman in an email to The Verge. Another step by Amazon today suggests it's ready to make drones a more serious part of its actual delivery network. The company said it plans to add Prime Air delivery to its existing fulfillment network, specifically by adding delivery drones to some of its same delivery sites. Prime Air drones currently only operate out of the 2 standalone sites in Texas and California, so expanding drones to other sites means a wider delivery range and closer integration with Amazon's delivery network. Moving forward, we will integrate drones into the Amazon delivery network so customers will have traditional delivery vans, flex delivery vehicles, and Prime Air drones leaving from the same building, wrote the company in its announcement. Having gone through various prototypes since its inception, Amazon Prime Air has recently unveiled its latest delivery drone, the Mach 30. Set for a 2024 release, the MK30 is the successor and a lighter and smaller version of the Mach 27 II. It introduces an increased flight range, expanded temperature tolerance, safety critical features, and new capability to fly in light rain. As one of Prime Air's focuses, noise signature reduction is critical for the public's acceptance of drone delivery. While Amazon's drones are already quieter than a range of sounds you would commonly hear in a typical neighborhood, the MK30's perceived noise reduction of 25 over the previous iteration shows the company's commitment to that goal. Regarding safety and reliability, the MK30 will also incorporate airborne functions with Amazon's perception systems to detect objects in flight. This means the drone will feature a sense and avoid system to autonomously avoid other aircraft, people, pets, and obstacles and allow operations at greater distances. As with all previous iterations, the drone will undergo rigorous evaluation by national aerospace authorities like the FAA to prove its safety and reliability. We're very much inspired by aerospace principles, follow very rigorous design standards, and we're very tough on ourselves in terms of expectations for performance and reliability of the system, said Sean Cassidy, Director, Safety, Flight Operations Regulatory Affairs at Amazon Prime Air during the Commercial Live Expo. We're constantly refining the system with the goal of the safest, most effective, most efficient delivery system possible. We never stop innovating for our customers. Our team has been hard at work figuring out how we get items to customers quickly, cost effectively, and most importantly, safely in less than an hour. The promise of drone delivery has often felt like science fiction, and we've been working for almost a decade to make it a reality. We've built fully electric drones that can deliver packages under 5 pounds to customers in less than an hour, from click to delivery. Earlier this year, we announced that customers who live in Lockhart, California and College Station, Texas will be among the first to receive Prime Air deliveries later this year. Continuous innovation for customers. Just as we do with all our innovations, including Prime Kindle, Alexa, Amazon Web Services, OS, Prime Video, and so much more, we built something great with Prime Air drone delivery and then kept iterating on it. We're now introducing our next generation delivery drone, the MK30, due to come into service in 2024. This drone will be lighter and smaller than the MK27-2, the drone that will be making deliveries in Lock Forward and College Station. The MK30's increased range, expanded temperature tolerance, safety critical features, and new capability to fly in light rain will enable customers to choose drone delivery more often. Reducing the noise signature of our drones is an important engineering challenge that our team is working on. Our drones fly hundreds of feet in the air, well above people and structures. Even when they descend to deliver packages, our drones are generally quieter than a range of sounds you would commonly hear in a typical neighborhood. Still, Prime Air's flight science team has created new custom designed propellers that will reduce the MK30's perceived noise by another 25 dB. That's a game changer, and we're very excited about it. We know our customers will only feel comfortable receiving drone deliveries if they know the system is safe and reliable. Our drones can encounter new unexpected situations and still make safe decisions autonomously and safely. We've created a sophisticated and industry-leading sense and avoid system that will allow our drones to operate at greater distances while safely and reliably avoiding other aircraft, people, pets, and obstacles. While it's impossible to eliminate all risk from flying, we have taken a proven aerospace approach to design safety into our system. As always, our newest drone will go through rigorous evaluation by national aerospace authorities like the Federal Aviation Administration to prove its safety and reliability. Building the next generation of delivery. When we first started Amazon Prime's 2-day delivery program 17 years ago is considered revolutionary. Getting packages to people where they wanted them in a matter of days was exciting and new. Images of Amazon employees wearing orange safety vests work on drones. How Amazon is building its drone delivery system. Amazon drone delivery will enable even faster deliveries to customers, with the potential to increase overall safety and efficiency in the transportation network. Since then, we've developed new technologies and made investments in our logistics network that have helped us get packages to customers in 2 days, 1 day, and even on the same day, to sustainably deliver a vast selection of items in under an hour and eventually within 30 minutes at scale. Drones are the most effective path to success. We are excited about the next chapter in the Prime Air program and in expanding this service to more customers in the months and years to come. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating content. Until next time, may your drone flights be safe, your imagery spectacular, and your appreciation for this incredible technology ever growing. See you in the skies. Thanks so much for watching this videos.